But first, he led law enforcement on a high-speed chase that put them and the community in danger. And now a Brooke County man will serve jail time. Thanks for joining us for 7 News at 6. I'm Catherine Guyan.
And I'm Steve Moore. 7 News reporter Annalise Murphy was in the courtroom as Jason Mitter was given his sentence. She has more details surrounding the case.
At a sentencing hearing in the state versus Jason Mitter, Mr. Mitter was charged with a felony offense of fleeing from an officer with reckless indifference to others. What that means is the officer attempted to perform a traffic stop on his vehicle, at which time he fled in his car, ignoring the directions to stop, and he did so in a manner that was reckless and unsafe for the officer and for members of the community.
When law enforcement responded to an alleged domestic disturbance, they were led on a chase by Jason Mitter. The 2021 incident reached dangerous speeds before Mitter was arrested. Now, Judge Ronald Wilson sentenced Mitter to no less than 1 year and no more than 5 years for running from law enforcement. Mitter has previous felony convictions that were a factor in his sentencing. Prosecuting attorney Joe Barkey says he takes the crime of fleeing from law enforcement very seriously.
Statistically, pursuits are the #1 killer of law enforcement officers throughout the country. Many more people die as a result of people fleeing in a vehicle than they do from law enforcement related shootings every year.
Barkey says he does not want to see any law enforcement seriously injured or even killed in situations where people are running away.
It's hard to describe the level of danger that occurs when somebody flees from a law enforcement officer. Officers are put in a position where they have to balance whether to continue to pursue somebody or to break off the pursuit, often not knowing why that individual is fleeing from them.
The danger running from police causes is among the many reasons Barkey takes the crime so seriously and says when it does happen, they want the deterrent of a prison sentence to be imposed. Reporting in Brooke County for 7 News, I'm Annalise Murphy, working for you.
Thank you, Annalise. We have more information about the incident that led to Mitter's conviction over at WTRF.com.